Maxi Journey Tribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button as we go for 20,000 subs here. We have a beautiful barndominium. Picture this on 50 acres. Black exterior, huge front porch. In a few short days, you're going to wish you had one, far away from everyone. Step inside, open concept, exposed beams right into the living room, guys. Let me know the thoughts down in the comments. Fireplace, huge refrigerator, guys. Would you like this refrigerator in your house? Massive, open concept. I love everything about the space. Even the pantry underneath the stairs, guys. Barn door on front, so you maximize all your space. It doesn't swing open. And you have a downstairs master bedroom right off the kitchen. You let me know what you think about that as well. Huge room, tons of space. The bathroom, though, that's where it's at. It's an oasis. It's an escape. Would your wife love this? Do you love this? The shower's huge. The tub is immaculate. Any view you want, mountains, beach, place this barndominium there, face that tub towards it, and enjoy life. A his, a hers, a whole family closet, guys. It has it all. This is what we're talking about. When you build a barndominium, build it the way you want it so you love it forever. This is a forever home here, guys. Love everything about it. And then you even have this great covered porch. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you